Hello, my dear friends! I know that every second viewer of this video owns a car, and of course you care about its appearance. You want it to look as new as possible for as long as possible. Polishing your car helps with that. How to do it as efficiently and beautifully as possible? Watch in this video. Let's go! This is a car condition before polishing. Remember it? Today we'll try to make it as clean and mirror-like as possible. So mirror-like that I can make my own makeup in it. Let's give it a try. For this we need certain items.
Polishing machine, a few polishing pastes, a couple of polishing pads and microfiber cloth.
Take the first paste and start polishing.
I'm using a medium hardness pad to avoid accidentally damaging the coating. I recommend this to you as well. Divide your area into several parts and polish them one by one. Polish with this paste once until the surface heats up and stops being greasy.
Wipe with microfiber and move on.
You don't need to apply a lot of paste, nor press the pad too hard. Polish until the surface stops being greasy. Before the next polishing, change the pad to a soft one and take the next paste.
Hey, I'm doing pretty well. How do you like the result? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? But it's not the end yet.
Again, apply a small amount of paste. This is the final step. Without this paste, polishing would be incomplete, especially for dark-colored cars. It gives an anti-hologram effect.
Wipe with microfiber and check the result. Ready? Incredibly, it's really an amazing result. I can see everything clearly. Here is the effect we achieved. Of course, to polish the entire car you need a bit more time and paste, but I hope I've explained the process to you in detail. And as promised, let's do makeup to finally test our mirror polishing. Fantastic! Honestly, I didn't think we could do it this well. It's almost like they do it in the detailing salons. My car looks better than before I bought it. It's just wow! I'm amazed, friends! Thanks for being with me. See you in the next videos. Bye bye!